दोस्तों सुबह मैं एक छोटा सा कोई मोटिवेशनल वीडियो देख रहा था एंड इन दैट वीडियो somebody was talking about the power of the significance of flying high in the sky of success. So he was talking about the example of a kite. A kite finally has to go down the drain. It has to find the place in a garbage bin someday when it is going to be tall. पतंग जो हम आसमान में उड़ाते हैं. But before it goes to the garbage bin, the kite has to fly high in the sky. You might have seen some of these videos. पतंग को तो जाना है कचरे के डब्बे में ही, लेकिन उसके पहले उसे उड़ान लगानी है आसमान में, काफी ऊंची उड़ान, something like that. Now, you might have seen or read different versions of this story. अब इसमें एक बात है जो आपको ध्यान देनी है. पतंग की डोर किसके हाथ में है, यह सबसे महत्वपूर्ण है. आपके पतंग की डोर किसी ऐसे कोच के हाथ में है, मेंटोर के हाथ में है जो इसको और ज्यादा ऊंची उड़ान दिलाना चाहता है, या आपके पतंग की डोर किसी ऐसे इंसान के हाथ में है जो आपको अपने हिसाब से, मतलब उनके हिसाब से उड़ाना चाहता है. ये काफी महत्वपूर्ण बात है. यू मस्ट इंश्योर दैट द स्ट्रिंग ऑफ द काइट ऑफ योर लाइफ हैज टू बी इन द राइट हैंड्स. And that hand has to be that of a good coach, a good mentor, who also could be somebody from your family. But the chances of such a coach or mentor is very low. Your family is a great support, but you need a proper professional mentor or coach. And this coach may be free also. Because in your life, if you look around, you'll find some mentors or coaches who have this intrinsic passion and purpose to help you grow in life. So you need to be sure that the string of the kite of your life is in the hands of a coach, because then a coach has the intention and the ability to make you soar high in the sky of success. And then what the coach is going to do is to keep on pulling the strings of the kite against the winds of, against the forces of struggle, challenges. The coach is going to make you do things which you otherwise would not have done. The coach is going to make you face challenges, because you must be knowing that the kite always flies against the wind and not with it. You take the example of one of these Olympic medal winners. For example, Neeraj Chopra. For example, PV Sindhu. And as we all know that India has won 7 medals in Olympics in 2021. Each of these winners had a coach. Can you even imagine an Olympic medal winner, be it silver, bronze or gold, becoming a winner without a coach? It's just impossible, not thinkable. Every person who goes for Olympics has already been working under a coach over last many years. And what does the coach do? The coach will make these sports people put in lots and lots of rigorous practicing hours, often in the early morning hours, often in the late evening hours. And the coaches will make these sports people test their ultimate strength, test their ultimate limits of stamina, will ensure that the sports people spend tens of hours every week, every day. And that is the only way for the sports people to see their career going up in the sky of success. These gold medal winners, these silver medal winners, these bronze medal winners have got a long and deep story of they having given the string of their kite of life into the hands of a capable and passionate, motivated coach. And the coach having pulled up the strings of this kite against the winds of challenges. Every medal winner has got a story. And this story is all about soaring up high in the sky of success while doing lots and lots of preparations. While putting many hours, many painful and testing hours on daily, weekly, monthly, and annual basis. Most of these sports people might have been training for maybe more than 10 hours every single day for many years. If you look at the story of some of these sports people, they had only 4 to 5 days time with their family in last 4 to 5 years. जिंदगी में दोस्तों सफलता उसी को मिलती है जो सफलता के लिए कीमत चुकाने के लिए तैयार होता है। दुनिया में हर चीज आप प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। आई कैन टेल यू, you can attain anything which you want to attain in your life, which you want to, mind these words, which you want to attain in your life, because the field of greatness has to be close to your liking, passion. That's very important. The only thing is that the strings of your, you know it by now, life, career has to be in the right hands, and these right hands must have the intention of letting you, enabling you, making you test your abilities in the most challenging circumstances while making your mind and body stronger through their coaching ability, through the process of they supporting you with each passing day, week, and month. And that's the secret for a great success story coming up, like the story of some of these medal winners who have just returned from Tokyo. Think about it. If you want to do something amazing, you need these two things in life: one coach, one mentor, and your intention, ability to be tested against the wind. That's important. And then the career soar up. Beat the story of a bodybuilder, beat the story of any person who has done something huge. This is the common thread or string in the world of success. Take care, stay inspired, and keep on moving towards your goals, because that is the sole intention for me to wake up early on this Saturday morning and make a video and release a video, so that you are always in the right company of people who want you to succeed in life, who want you to attain more joys in life, who want you always to keep moving on, come what